Good morning to everybody, children. Very good morning. Again, we are going to learn our subject English. This is for Tamil Nadu Board syllabus for Standard 1, A1 and A2 section. Subject is English. Okay. Before learning, let us close our eyes and pray. Gracious and merciful Father in heaven, thank Thee for this wonderful new day. Dear Jesus, thank Thee for all the blessings. Thank Thee for the care and protection. Thank Thee for the good breath in our nostrils. Thank You for everything, Lord. Each and every second You are guiding us, guarding us in all the ways. Thank You for that, Lord. Dear Jesus, today we are going to learn our lessons. Be with us. Shower Thy blessing from above to learn our lessons well. We ask in Jesus' name. Okay, shall we start now? Already I have completed all the 3 lessons in English. Today we are going to revise all the book exercises. Can you understand? Second term book exercises. We are going to revise from lesson number 1, 2 and 3. Take out your book and be ready. First, we are going to learn some vegetables names. Have you ate vegetables? Vegetables are healthy for our body. Okay, I will teach for you. You repeat after me. Carrot, carrot, C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot, C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot. Chilli, chilli, C-H-I-L-L-I, chilli, C-H-I-L-L-I, chilli. தமிழில் காஞ்ச மிளகாய் சொல்லுவோம், பச்சை மிளகாய் சொல்லுவோம், ப்ளூ மிளகாய் கூட இருக்குது. சில்லினா மிளகாய். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் இஸ் பொட்டேட்டோ. பொட்டேட்டோ உருளைக்கிழங்கு, P-O-T-A-T-O, பொட்டேட்டோ. P-O-T-A-T-O, பொட்டேட்டோ. P-O-T-A-T-O, potato. Onion, onion, O-N-I-O-N, onion, O-N-I-O-N, onion. Onion means in Tamil, வெங்காயம். O-N-I-O-N, onion. Next, cabbage. கேபேஜ். சென்னையில் எல்லோரும் கோஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. திருச்சியிலலாம் முட்டைக்கோஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. கேபேஜ்னா முட்டைக்கோஸ். C-A-B-B-A-G-E, கேபேஜ். C-A-B-B-A-G-E, கேபேஜ். C-A-B-B-A-G-E, cabbage. Next is tomato. Tomato, T-O-M-A-T-O, tomato. T-O-M-A-T-O, tomato. Tomato na Tamil தக்காளி. தக்காளி. Next one is yam. Y-A-M, yam. Y-A-M, yam. யாம்னா கருணைக்கிழங்கு. Y-A-M, yam. Next one is radish. R-A-D-I-S-H, radish. R-A-D-I-S-H, radish. R-A-D-I-S-H, radish. தமிழில் முள்ளங்கி. ரேடிஷ்னு என்னது? முள்ளங்கி. Next one, green leaves. green leavesனா கீரைகள். green leavesனா என்னம்மா? கீரைகள். G-R-E-E-N, green. L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves, green leaves. G-R-E-E-N, green. L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves, green leaves. Next is brinjal, B-R-I-N-J-A-L, brinjal. Brinjal means katarikai, B-R-I-N-J-A-L, brinjal, B-R-I-N-J-A-L, brinjal. Learn all the vegetables name with spelling. Okay, now we will learn the fruits name. What name? Fruits name. Okay. Mango, M-A-N-G-O, mango. M-A-N-G-O, mango. Mango na மாங்காய் இருக்கு, மாம்பழம் இருக்கு. ஓகேவா? மாங்காய் சாம்பாருக்கெலாம் போடுவோம், மாம்பழம் நல்லா சாப்பிடுவோம், ஜாம் செஞ்சு கூட சாப்பிடலாம். இட் வில் பி வெரி வெரி டேஸ்ட். மேங்கோ, M-A-N-G-O, மேங்கோ. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், ஜாக் ஃப்ரூட். வாட் ஃப்ரூட்? ஜாக் ஃப்ரூட், J-A-C-K-F-R-U-I-T, ஜாக் ஃப்ரூட். ஜாக் ஃப்ரூட்னா பழாப்பழம். பழாப்பழம் உள்ளர நிறைய சொலையாக இருக்கும் பாருங்கள், ரொம்ப சுவையாக இருக்கும். ஜாக் ஃப்ரூட், பழாப்பழம். ஓகே, J-A-C-K-F-R-U-I-T, ஜாக் ஃப்ரூட். நெக்ஸ்ட் இஸ் வாட்டர்மெலன், W-A-T-E-R-M-E-L-O-N, watermelon, W-A-T-E-R-M-E-L-O-N, watermelon. Watermelon na darbusani palam. Okay, we'll say in Tamil darbusani. Watermelon means darbusani. Next one is banana, B-A-N-A-N-A, banana, B-A-N-A-N-A, banana, B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. banana na Tamil என்ன? வாழைப்பழம், மா பழா வாழை. இந்த 3 ஃப்ரூட்ஸும் ரொம்ப ரொம்ப சுவையாக இருக்கும். பிடிக்காதவங்க யாருமே இருக்க மாட்டாங்க. எல்லோருமே என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க? இந்த 3 ஃப்ரூட்ஸையும் விரும்பி சாப்பிடுவாங்க. மேங்கோ, ஜாக் ஃப்ரூட் அண்ட் பனானா. மா பழா வாழை. மானாக்கா மேங்கோ, பழானா பழாப்பழம், வாழைனா வாழைப்பழம். ஓகே, these 3 fruits will be very very tasty. Okay, next apple, A-P-P-L-E, apple. For apple we'll say apple only in Tamil also. Okay, A-P-P-L-E, apple, A-P-P-L-E, apple, A-P-P-L-E, apple. Next orange, O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. For orange also we'll say the same thing only, orange palam. Okay, O-R-A-N-G-E, orange, O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Next one is papaya, P-A-P-A-Y-A, papaya, P-A-P-A-Y-A, papaya, P-A-P-A-Y-A, papaya, P-A-P-A-Y-A, papaya. பப்பாயானா என்ன பழம் தமிழில்? பப்பாளி பழம். வாட் பழம்? பப்பாளி பழம். If you eat papali palam or papaya, you will get more blood. Blood will increase in our body. Okay, so you have to eat papaya. Next one is grapes, திராட்சை பழம், G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes, G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes, G-R-A-P-E-S, P-E-S, grapes, G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes, sorry, G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. These are the names of the fruits. Each and every word you must spell and learn. Okay? For example, in the second term exam, I will ask you to write any 5 vegetables name and any 5 fruits name. Okay? So you must learn the spellings also. Shall we go to the next one? We learn some healthy food. Okay. Fruits. Then palm fruit. P-A-L-M. Palm fruit. Ragi dosai. Greens and vegetables. All these are our healthy food. Once again I'll say fruits, palm fruit, ragi dosai, greens and vegetables. Fruits, parangal, palm fruit, P-A-L-M. Palm fruit means what? Nungu, nungu. Okay? P-A-L-M, palm. F-R-U-I-T, fruit, palm fruit. பாம்னா என்னது தமிழில்? பனை மரம். பனை மரத்துலேருந்து தான் நமக்கு நுங்கு கிடைக்குது, நுங்கு. அந்த நுங்குவை இங்கிலீஷில் என்ன ஃப்ரூட் சொல்கிறாங்க? பாம் ஃப்ரூட். பனை மரத்துலேருந்து வர்றதுனால பாம் ஃப்ரூட். ஓகே. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் இஸ் ராகி தோசா. ராகி தோசா, ராகியில் செஞ்ச தோசை. தென் க்ரீன் லீவ்ஸ், கீரைகள். வெஜிடபிள்ஸ், காய்கறிகள். இதெல்லாம் நமக்கு ஹெல்த்தி ஃபுட். ஓகே. ஃப்ரூட்ஸ், தென் பாம் ஃப்ரூட், தென் ராகி தோசை, greens and vegetables. All these are our healthy food. Many of you during when you eat a fruit, you won't eat nungu all the time. Okay. It is the seasonal fruit only, but many of you don't like nungu. But nungu is a very, very good fruit. It's very healthy. Okay, we have to eat. Our body will contain more water, increases more water when we eat this nungu. Okay, we won't get heat in our body, so you have to eat nungu. What are the healthy fruits? Fruits, ragi dosa, greens and vegetables. All these are healthy fruits. Healthy foods. You can eat grams, pulses, grains, etc., etc. All these are healthy only. Okay, children, shall we go to the next one? Next one, we are going to learn vehicles name. Vehicles name. What name? Vehicles. Vehicles means what? What is vehicle? Which run on the road. Which one will run on the road? With the 4 wheels, with the 3 wheels, with the 2 wheels, or with the 6 wheels. All these are called vehicles. Buses, van, car, auto, bicycle, scooter, bike, bus, bullock cart. All these are vehicles. Okay. Shall we learn that words? Okay. First one is bullock cart. Okay. Before the bus and the train arrives, we had only bullock cart. Bullock cart means what? 2 bulls or 1 bull will pull the cart. Okay. Man will make a cart and they will keep the cow. Okay. Cow or the ox. Whether it is 2 ox or 1 ox, it will pull the cart and go. That is called bullock cart. B-U-L-L-O-C-K. Bullock cart. C-A-R-T. Cart. Bullock cart. Next one is train. Train has many wheels. It will run on the rail. It will run on the track. It will run on the track. T-R-A-I-N, train. T-R-A-I-N, train. Next one is bus. B-U-S, bus. B-U-S, bus. Train, what is in Tamil? What is in Tamil? Can anybody know? Nobody knows. Okay? Train naka pugai vandi. Is it correct? I don't know whether I am correct or what. You can check it with your parents. Okay, now bus. Perundu. Bus means what? Perundu. Van. V-A-N, van. V-A-N, van. Repeat after me, okay? V-A-N, van. Next one is auto. A-U-T-O, auto. You know auto, everybody, okay? A-U-T-O, auto. Car, C-A-R, car. Car, C-A-R, car. Scooter, S-C-O-O-T-E-R, scooter. S-C-O-O-T-E-R, scooter. S-C-O-O-T-E-R, scooter. Bicycle, B-I-C-Y-C-L-E, bicycle. B-I-C-Y-C-L-E, bicycle. Bike, B-I-K-E, bike. B-I-K-E, bike. B-I-K-E, bike. Lorry, L-O-R-R-Y, lorry. L-O-R-R-Y, lorry. Helicopter, H-E-L-I-C-O-P-T-E-R, helicopter. H-E-L-I-C-O-P-T-E-R, helicopter. Aeroplane, A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E, aeroplane. A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E, aeroplane. Ship, S-H-I-P, ship. S-H-I-P, ship. S-H-I-P, ship. S-H-I-P, ship. All these are vehicles. Bullock cart, bus, car, van, lorry, bike, scooter, bicycle, auto. All these will run on the road. Okay? Helicopter and aeroplane run in the, where it flies, it will fly in the sky. Okay? Then ship, it will sail in the sea. Can you understand, children? Okay. You must spell all the words and you must make it by hearted. Okay? For second term exam, I will give you for test. Okay? I will ask you write any 5 means of transport. Okay? I'll ask you. In that you must add ship, which sails in the water, which flies in the sky and on the road. You must write any 5 words. Okay? Okay. Next one we'll learn grammar. Next one we'll learn grammar. Take out your grammar book. Last week I have finished everything, but I did not complete it. Okay? I finished up to page number 50. Today we are going to learn page number 51. Page number 51. Only one page is pending. Even though I will teach you the 2 pages. Okay? Match the animals to the correct articles. Okay? Animals pictures are given in page number 5050 in your grammar book. Page number 5050. Revision 2. Match the animals to the correct article. Cat, a crocodile, an eagle, a giraffe, an elephant, a fox, an ostrich, a squirrel. Once again, a cat, a crocodile, an eagle, a giraffe, an elephant, a fox, an ostrich, and a squirrel. Okay. Next, circle the correct pronoun in the bracket and read the story. 2 answers is given, I and we. I am Manisha. Circle the word letter I. I am Manisha. Number 2. This is Rohan. He is my brother. Circle the word he, H-E, he. This is Rohan. He is my brother. Number 3. Mother has made sweets for us. Mother has made sweets for us. Circle the word us, U-S, us. Number 4. We will share the sweets. We will share the sweets. Circle the word we, W-E-V. Number 5. We should not burst crackers. We should not burst crackers, W-E-V. Okay. I, we, he, she, my, us, we, all these words are pronouns. Okay. I means a person. I am a girl. I am a boy, like that. Okay. She, for all the girls will say she. She is a girl. She is Meera. She is Sujata, like that. Okay. Next one. He is a boy. Roshan is a boy. He is a boy, like that. Okay. All these words are what? Pronouns. Next one. Fill in the blanks with pronouns. This is Rita. She is a girl. This is Rita. Rita is a girl. She is a girl. See, for girl, you must write she, S-H-E, she. This is Karan. He is a boy. This is Karan. He is a boy. Next one. This is a bat. It is made of wood. Bat is a non-living thing, so we must say it. Karan is a boy, so we must write he. Rita is a girl, so we should write she. Okay. These are shells. Okay. There are many shells. It is in plural, so we have to write they are colorful. These are shells. They are colorful. Number 5. This is Granny. She is very active. Granny means party. Okay. Party is very active. Party is a lady, no? So we have to write she. This is Granny. She is very active. Okay. Now come to the next one. Tick the correct sentences in each pair. This is stars. Those are stars. This is stars. Stars, it is given in plural. One, and before that it is given as is. Is should not come there. We have to write R, A-R-E-R. Okay. These are stars. It should come like that. So that is wrong. And the next one is correct. Those are stars. Okay. Now second sentence. These are roses. That is correct. Put a tick there. Those are roses. And third sentence is, this is a school. This is a school. This is a school. Tick it in that line. Number 4. Those flowers are lovely. Those flowers are lovely. Put a tick there. Those flowers are lovely. Okay. Next one. We'll go to E. Match the words to their opposites. Okay. Match the words to their opposites. Opposites means we'll call it in Tamil Edirchol. Okay. If we are short, the opposite word is tall. Like that only. Okay. Hot. Cold. Hot. Cold. Hot means soodu. Cold na jillinu irukkuradhu. Hot. Cold. Number 2. Small. Big. Small means very small. Chinnadu. Big na perusu. Small. Big. Third one is happy. Sad. Happy na sandoshma irukkuradhu. Sad na kavalaya irukkuradhu. Happy. Sad. Next one is thick. Thin. Thick na mottama irukkuradhu. Thin na mellusa irukkuradhu. Thick. Thin. Number 5. Wet. Dry. வெட்னா ஈரமாக இருக்கிறது, ட்ரைனா காஞ்சி இருக்கிறது. புரியுதாம்மா? இதுதான் ஆப்போசிட்ஸ் வேர்ட்ஸ். இன்னும் நிறைய வேர்ட்ஸ் இருக்குது, ஆனாக்கா இன்னும் 5 தான் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. யூ லேர்ன் தீஸ் 5 வேர்ட்ஸ். ஓகே? ஹாட், கோல்ட், ஸ்மால், பிக், happy, sad, thick, thin, wet, dry. Once again I'll teach you. Hot, cold, small, big, happy, sad, thick, thin, wet, dry. Okay? You match it and you learn at home all the words. I will give this opposites words for test, for a second term test I will give you. Okay? Children, don't waste the time. Sit at home, learn for 1 hour and recall all your things what you learnt. If you don't learn, then you will forget everything. Okay, so you have to learn for 1 hour every day. Dear parents, please guide your children. And in the classwork note, the revision part you have written. Now you must write in grammar. You should write the topic as grammar and write page number 48, 50 and 51. Page number 48, 50 and 51. You write the topic grammar and write page number 48, 50 and 51. You don't need to draw the pictures. Okay, just write a cat, a fox, a squirrel, a giraffe, an eagle, an ostrich, an elephant, like that you write. You don't need to draw any pictures. Okay children, can you understand everybody? You write something in the classwork note. Don't simply sit. Okay, don't waste the time. Learn nicely, be a good children, obey your parents. Okay, God bless you all. Thank you dear children and thank you dear parents.